Hi guys, thanks for watching my channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe MechTech 360. In this video I have explained about this copper nickel welding inspection. What are the points we have to keep it in mind while copper nickel welding is going on, or after visual inspection, what are the items we have to carry it out as a QC inspector. First one, we have to control the heat input, mainly the welding parameters, current, travel speed, voltage and all we have to control, because the thickness of this, in my experience I worked in copper nickel material inspection, only 3 mm thickness, that is very less thickness. The welding is more effective, and the welder have need more skills how to weld this type of small thickness. We need first, we have to check the purging of this. Before we have to start the same like stainless steel, we have to check the purging. Then afterwards we have to start the welding. Then it is through the window we have to see the root, how it is fuse and the penetration will come properly or not, we have to check. Then welding parameters you have to physically taken by using the clamp meter. Then we have to calculate the heat input as per the WPS or not, we have to calculate, because the distortion in the copper nickel material is very more, so the heat conduction will be more in this material, so we have to control the heat input. Then the P number, F number is very important. For the P number and F number will be 34. All of you know from this section 9 it is given the table, P number table is there. You have to refer that one. What is the qualification of the welder? He can weld the P number 34 or not. As per the section 9 we have to qualify the welder for the copper nickel alloys. I already told you the important points that we have to inspect during the welding of during and after the welding inspection. We have to check the essential points as a QC. I shared some photos that I worked in copper nickel. I shared some photos. Please go through it. This one copper nickel welding is going on. The filler wire we are using for this copper nickel welding will be ERCUNI. That's F number will be 34. It's the parent metal. We are using for the copper nickel, that one have the UNS number, and also for this straightness we have to check after this welding. It is very important thing. If any distortion will occur, it should be rectified, and the final weld visual can be completed. Then PT should be very important. Penetration testing will have to do.